Kan ni kadai ke Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka khubor baman kasngi belawan ra shepi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Henne kasngi ka khat sautarek unai weng arajar khatpra. Ka jela Meghalaya kalapile pajba ya ka jera khe ya ka ayom jang ki sentiu dingleng. Ni ya ki ba ha ka kten pharang ki om ki cherry blossom. Kani kadai ka India International Cherry Blossom Festival kabalai nadu balas dang pelong yaka haki asnam memenchua ya kani ka tamasa ka basau sngilanter menta usnam la pelong dag jingat reilang hapadang katnat Forest and Environment jong ka sarkar jala nangta ka Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development ka National Institute of Department of Biotechnology jong ka sarkar pedang bat katnat Indian Council for Cultural Relations jong ka sarkar pedang ya kani kata masalah pelong haki arteli kicaka kata hapo madan pulo bat hapo nan pelong bat haki wede ki benta jong kanong ba shilong bat ya kejingelang ple ya kani kata masalah pelong haka por mestam hamadan pulo haka bau menteri rang ba kajala ukondrat ke sangma ulalong ukongsan ki wede ki balaidan lang haka ni kejilang ple ki kentop ya unong ket keten nakari Japan sepori India ukenji Hiramatsu bat ki wede ki menteri jong sarkar jala bat ki officer sarkar haka ni kata masa ka basau singi ansa pelong kita masa ba per bakan top ya karensan peniriam karensan ya kop thei babreu bat rang kansai ka jingle ka tit golf ka jingya tam ya pon haloran san bat ka yaudi ya ki jajing bam ki babon jan na lor kita masa ban pen berngya ya ki pajba ki laru benet chaka khlau jong katnat forest kabaran hapo lau soton ha apor shlong bat cheki benta badan ka elephants fall ban pe ki cherry blossom ki balapho itnat hakin ki singi bamenta
I will speak more in concrete terms at the dialogue states about the type of cooperation Japan is engaging in Northeast, but I'd like to give a brief overview here. For instance, we take it seriously to enhance connectivity through improvement of construction, roads and bridges. We are aiming to support the development of this region by connecting not only intra-regional links within Northeast, but also the links between the Northeast and the neighboring countries such as Bangladesh and Myanmar. To make the Northeast a gateway to ASEAN will boost Northeast economy. To get back to the topic, which is more relevant to Cherry Blossom Festival, we are promoting people-to-people and cultural exchanges between Japan and Northeast. My presence attests to our commitment to actually meet and talk to people in this region. Japan launched a program to invite promising youth in Northeast to Japan, providing them with real experience in Japan.
This really is an event and a really exercise to really share the culture and really share among each other the different cultures that we have, the different kind of activities that are there. The idea being to really take this relationship forward. And I think that is what one should realize. One should realize the big picture that is involved in this. Cherry Blossom is an event, is a particular program that's happening, but this relationship that we're trying to build is going to go far beyond that. I must mention that what the Honorable Ambassador just mentioned about the kind of investment that Japan is making in the Northeast especially. A number of the roads, in fact, that are coming up in our own state of Meghalaya is going to be funded by JICA, which is an organization of Japan, in collaboration with the Government of India. So therefore, there's a huge relationship and huge opportunity that lies ahead of us. And this is just one of the events that will ensure that this relationship grows in the future. And that is really what we are looking at.
hot family.
Only. Indian student 1 lakh in USA. That is the reason we are coming here to invite youngsters.
Sell roti.
Okay. I think you'll have a lot of guests coming in.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you only go. Yeah.
Festival can develop the
अच्छा, very good. तो आप कहाँ से लेके आए वीडियो?
ये सब धेमाजी आसाम।
धेमाजी से ना?
We are very happy, sir.